Hey you guys, it's me again, Julie, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So our video for today is gonna be an updated tutorial on how to save your StarMaker video to your gallery. And also some people were asking or were saying that they did follow my tutorial, but then it didn't save into their gallery, so I'm gonna be doing that as well. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I have my phone here and I'm just gonna go on my StarMaker account. Click here, StarMaker, and go into your profile, which is that. So now you're on your profile, just scroll it until you get to those videos that you've posted already in your account. So say I have that video that I'm just going to share it, and now you can see share to YouTube, and I'm just gonna click that. Now it's downloading it. Just wait until it gets downloaded. Wait for it. So just press OK, and then it said copied, and now I'm going to my gallery and check if it's already downloaded. So there it is. That's the video I've just downloaded. So those people who were saying that they didn't follow, or I mean, even if they did follow my tutorial, but it still didn't save to their gallery. So here is the step-by-step tutorial that you can try, and please do let me know if it worked or not. So I'm going to, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'll show you my settings. So click your settings. So I'm now on my settings. Just find the StarMaker app on your settings, which is that. Just click StarMaker. So allow StarMaker to access. That's what it says, none, right? And now I'm gonna go to my StarMaker app. Oops, I'm sorry. StarMaker app. And then same thing as what I did earlier. Profile. So let's just say that one. Share that. Click share. YouTube. It says failed to access your albums. So you can just go to your settings. Go back to StarMaker again. Oh, you're already there. StarMaker. Then photos. Just click all photos and then go back to your StarMaker. And then now do the same thing. Click share, YouTube, and now we have access, so it's copied. Now we're going to check if it's there. So it's that there. The same video, and that's that, guys. Please if it didn't work again, just let me know so I can sort it out for you. By the way, I'm using iPhone, so if you're an Android user, I can try and use my husband's phone to do it there. I really hope that would help, and if it didn't help, please do let me know. And also, thank you so much. I want to say thank you so much to those people who appreciated that tutorial that I did first. It really means a lot to me. And also to those people who subscribed on my channel, and to those who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click that subscribe button and click that notification bell, so then you'll be notified on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really appreciate it. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and you can share it to your friends and that. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!